Hello and welcome to a new vlog. So, I think it's been a couple of days since I filmed the last clip. So, the last time, I was in the gym. The vlog before that was my ATL trip, and that vlog was very interesting. It was just like go, go, go. So, I didn't yeah, that was an interesting week anyway. That was last week. This is this week. So today I'm being featured on a podcast, so that's happening in the next 20 minutes. So I'm just prepping for that. Um, Doing some work for my day job, and that's with mapping customer journeys, and just doing some work for the intersection of product and marketing. Um, so obviously you have different aspects of marketing. You have PR, you have product marketing, social media, and so on. So I'm just looking through some of the product screens and things like that, and just kind of looking at that journey and identifying different touch points and events and things like that to feed into our marketing analytics. So that's kind of what I'm doing today's stroke tomorrow, and that's ahead of a meeting that I have with my colleagues on Friday to just kind of go through everything and just collate everything in terms of all of our thoughts around what we want to do regarding product launch and the kind of messaging and stuff like that, things that we want to push out, our USPs and things like that. So that's what is happening this week. So I've got my podcast in about 20 minutes, and then I'm going to do some more work. For my business, I need to decide what I want in terms of my WordPress template that I want to use for my website. So right now, my website is hosted on Card, and I'm just trying to rebuild it. I'm rebuilding it to move it to WordPress. A couple of decisions or a couple of things led to that decision, but things like SEO and things like that. I know 2024 SEO is dead, rah, 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 but I still think it's relevant. So I just kind of want to make sure that it's a multi-site website, because with Card, it's a one-page website, even though it's quite easy to spin up and things like that. So if ever you needed stuff like landing pages and things like that, you should definitely check it out. I've found it to be really useful, really user-friendly. If you want me to do a video on Card and stuff like that, or just getting online in general, let me know in the comments, and then I can do something like that. So yeah, I want to decide. I started looking at templates yesterday for that. I want to decide on that today, and then what else do I want to do? I want to look at some stuff on video making for Canva, and also my LLM course. I've got my post-it with my 3 things that I want to do, and I want to do an hour or so on my course that I'm doing for just general AI and LLMs. And yeah, that is what today is looking like. So I'm just going to check meeting updates for my podcast feature and get on with my day. So I shall see you later. Uh, Hello. Okay, so it is what's time actually? It is now 20 past 7 in the evening. I'm about to go out for my walk because I'm back on I have to make my 10,000 steps, and then I'll listen to this, an audiobook I'm listening to right now. So I'll probably just play that on my walk. So today was really good. The podcast episode that I did went really well. What does this cap look like? I have to get another cap. Anyway, let's not get distracted. So the podcast episode went really well. I'll link it down below if it's out by the time I'm putting up this vlog. But yeah, I went through my whole career journey. It was a conversation, my career journey, and just things that happened along the way, pivotal moments in my life, in my career. A bit more personal, I think, probably the most personal, talking about, my parents passing and things like that, and how that kind of affected the way I saw life, and how it affected my career, really. So yeah, that was that. Did some work. I still have some work to do actually for my 9 to 5. Some things I need to get done, and also some stuff for social media and things like that. I have a couple of things that I need to do. First of all, I still need to finalize my WordPress template for my website. and do a couple of hours of work. But I was doing some catching up on some other stuff that I had to do earlier on today, so that kind of it threw that timeline out a little bit. But yeah, we're going to get back onto that. I'm going to get up to date this evening and make sure that everything is okay on that. And yeah, so that's about it. So yeah, let's go and get our steps in. I'm on, what am I on right now? Yeah, I'm on 7,500 steps. Probably going to be inverted on that. 7,500 steps at the moment. So yeah, we need to get to over 10K. Anything over 10K, I'm good with. So that's kind of, yeah, that's my goal every day. I did work out this morning. I went to Pilates class. So definitely gotten back in after my trip to ATL because I was hosting last weekend and everything, and had a few events to go to last weekend, so it kind of just threw everything out. But I'm back on my routine, and so yeah, so went to Pilates class. I have boxing tomorrow. I haven't been to. Seems like it's been forever, but it's not been more than like 2 classes I've missed in boxing due to traveling and all whatnot. So yeah, so I have boxing tomorrow, but without much further ado, let's the walk done. All right, see you later. Hello, how are you doing? So, yeah, what has been happening? You've probably seen from the clip before this that I was coming back from doing my nails, so I just went out quickly. It wasn't that I could have gone another week, but the length was really annoying me, so I decided I'll just go in today. Um, Ignore the pile of laundry here, but it is the weekend. This is real life, so we'll just pretend that this is not here. Anywho, um, so yeah, so I just wanted to come on here to talk about something that I've been playing on my mind. So this week was really quite chilled. Not much was happening, but again, sometimes it's quite exciting, sometimes it's not. Um, so I started working on something that had been playing in my mind. So would have said before that I am building an app for business owners, but there was another piece of software that was on my mind to build before starting work, like fully starting work on the app. And I'll talk about that more in the next vlog. But I had started building it before, and I think I overcomplicated things, and it just didn't feel right. So I stopped working on it. But for some reason this week and at work as well as in my personal projects, we're talking about keeping things really simple and just launching with minimal features, which I mean, obviously people always talk about, your minimum viable product, but we don't always play to those rules. Especially if you're a builder and stuff like that, you get overexcited. Anywho, so yeah, so that was what I was thinking about. And, I just quickly sketched it out and then I started working on it. And that was kind of led me to what I wanted to say now is that if you are, looking to build out a product or a service, a lot of times we kind of go into analysis paralysis and we don't get these ideas out of our heads and into the real world. And and I'm talking to myself as well because I do this as well. So I would really urge you to just start wherever you are, start with what you have, and just put stuff out there, because the more you practice at this thing. So if you're learning how to code, learn a little bit of code, find a very simple project and just start building. If you want to be a writer and stuff like that, even if you don't have a blog, you can start writing on, you can use Instagram as like mini blogs to just start writing. And the more you write, the better your communication gets and the better you get at it, as with anything, right? So I just really want, I don't know why this had been playing on my mind. So keep it really simple. Don't overcomplicate things and just start where you are and just start putting stuff out there. And just, you just get better and better with each iteration that you do. And honestly, it's true. I found that to be true. So that was what I wanted to say. Is there anything else I want to say in this vlog? Probably not. So yeah, I think I'm going to end the vlog here. Um, Tomorrow I shall, yeah, I'll start a new vlog tomorrow because I'm going to be out and about quite a bit. So maybe I'll just start a new vlog tomorrow. But anyway, that's what I just wanted to say. Trying to make sure I'm consistent with vlogging and putting out stuff on YouTube. So I have a video going out tomorrow. I have to finish editing that and then upload that tonight. And then yeah, I guess I will see you in the next vlog. Bye.